right, we are here. It is Tuesday, May 13th, 12:45 p.m., 75 degrees out Fahrenheit. We're outside the Paris Hotel and Casino. One of my favorite hotels. I have a little connection to it from nostalgia of my first time in Las Vegas. When I was a teenager staying. What was the boardwalk, and I had cousins staying over here because I flew out from New York with my pops for his brother's marrying his wife a second time. She unfortunately ended up passing away at one point, but so they're remarried. I forgot which chapel it was. I know when I passed, I forgot the name. And I remember walking to hang out with my cousin at his hotel room here at night. But she was the cousin that eventually moved out here years later and kind of moved me out here. It's got me a job at a company he worked for. I just remember going to Paris and hanging out with him in his hotel room. Maybe got into a little something. A little something. I recently did a filming location video, which I do a few of other movies that were like mostly or had a lot more footage filmed in Las Vegas, but there was a few scenes in the movie Venom 3, which I did not see, but I knew through the trailer, and after just being involved in the movie sphere, not involved, just paying attention, listening to pundits and whatnot, I knew there were scenes filmed here, saw it on YouTube, so I got that together and did a whole filming location. And it was a decent amount. You had the whole fake entrance set up right here. You had Tom Hardy walking along this way right here. It actually started the scene all the way on the strip over there, and then seen Tom Hardy walked all along this way. Tried to get in there. The guard wouldn't let him in because he was underdressed, which I really don't think that would have been a problem. If he was naked or something, that would have been different, but I've seen worse, is all I'm saying. We didn't let him in, so Tom Hardy's Venom hand smacked him, and then he turned this way, saw a guy taking a piss right over here, wearing a suit, so Tom Hardy walked over here. Eddie Brock walked up to the guy right here, smacked him. Guy went flying to about this area over here. Eddie dragged him. So the scene kind of comes back over here, so you don't see behind this area. Then you see Eddie Brock walk out in the suit, stand right where that sewer cap is, walk forward. At least two of these chains were taken off so he could walk through. There was cops here that were looking at the guy that he just slapped, and he goes to him. The guy that did that is knocked out over there. Tells Venom that he's keeping the shoes. Walks in there, and then movie magic, boom. He walks into those doors right over there. It would be the singular doors, if you ever want to know. I'm not going to go back. Oh, maybe I will. But, go over there. Venom 3. Eiffel Tour gift shop right here. And this is where you enter to go up to the top. You get tickets over here at the kiosk. I might get, I don't see a way to do a local discount, but there might be. But if I went right now, it'd be 35 bucks. Got this way to Sherry Rooftop. The elevators right here. Got some music playing here, so give my little spiel. If you haven't yet, hit that like button. If you want, you can leave a comment, but please always be respectful of your comments. And subscribe to the channel to stay Vegas ready. Put our out back patio right here that looks over the strip. And you can enter from the strip right here too. Beer park. Awesome Bellagio fountain views right here. Not going off right now, but you can picture it. You can picture it. Got a whole area over here. Photo booth there. Oh, they got old school turtles. NBA Jam. Oh, you got a bunch. You got Simpsons here. All right, X-Men, Cowboys. Check this out. All right. We're at Sherry Rooftop. Looks like you got some just sitting over here. You can dine. Cool entrance. Oh, as long as it's starting to slot finally. Oh, yeah, they're doing a little bit of construction over there. Cane's, good choice. Cane's, sponsor me. I'm gonna, at some point, just do, not every hotel, but I feel like Paris, like ballet entrance to check-in. So I would just do the whole entrance of the ballet area at Paris that I walked through in the beginning. And come in here, take more, just maybe some more close-up shots. Add a little music in the background, potentially. The chandeliers go hard. over 5,000 videos on my channel. Go back during the Christmas holiday season. Always film walkthroughs when the hotels are decked up. During F1, Super Bowl, other events, filming locations, history. Vanderpump has a restaurant here. She also has one at Caesars, and the newest is Pinky's at Flamingo. And she is getting her own hotel. The Cromwell is turning into the Vanderpump, supposedly by 2026. I like the windows. The fake windows, yeah. Then you got Cafe Americano here. I did eat here once. Pretty good spot. They remodeled recently. All that inside area. The best fucking night of my life. Come get a seat at Vanderpump Paris. So we saw most of Paris. We did not go up to the Eiffel Tower, but I will do that at one point and just make that a separate video. Bobby's Burgers. Got the Bedford. This whole area right here is pretty new. I think I put up a video of just this area recently. The convention center right here. No matter what they throw at this guy, whatever the aftermath is, he's always here, keeping the Paris hotel clean. So right here, you also start the connection over to Horseshoe, and you got their self-parking right here. And I am going to end this video here. You should know what to do, but if you don't, please hit that like button. It does help. If you want, you can leave a comment, but please always be respectful of your comments and subscribe to the channel to stay Vegas ready. Thank you for exploring the Paris Hotel and Casino with me, and I'll catch you in the next video.